Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hennen kasngi kan Trei unai weng, kakan hon ka balathong da kayeng bisar jong ka Puducherry, ne ya ka bala Jingtip menchua kum ka Puducherry. Kata kakan hon Public Account Committee, ka balai lam du Shongnor UR Shiva. Ringkat kakan hon Estimate Committee kilawan poi syakani ke jala Meghalaya. Bantep nia halor ka Rukom Trikam ka Public Account Committee hakani ke jala Meghalaya, bat kiwede ki jinang Jingtip kibede, bat kani ke jala. Hennen hi kasngi kani kakan hon na Puducherry, kalai kendoro ya ka Public Account Committee jong ka yeng terba thawaan ke jala Meghalaya ka bala khli da MLA ka Shillong West Constituency ku ba polling do ku mushong knor habakran hakinong pathai khobor hadin ka je kendo lang jong kini ki PSC jong kini ki arjala bat ki bana Puducherry ki don nyongot baro konthop yu ki arngot ki officer jong ka Puducherry Legislative Assembly kila pen paw ya ka jingsngo jong ki halor ka Rukom Trikam jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya namar ka jing phai khman bat kershan hakikam ki jam na ka benta udok usong Nalor kani kinoi lam jong PSC na Puducherry kila angru bakila wan chakani ke jala banjurep ik jaka hakaling ke jala khnang bakin sungtho shosho ya Rukom jong ki nong snong hangni batru ko yo ka kot jong ki.
It is a very welcome long awaited decision because we need to ensure that we have a system which is tamper proof, an education system that helps to elevate and bring out the best in the human individuals. And this is especially when it comes to education, we have to ensure quality manpower, and it is an established fact that there is no dearth of qualified, capable and sincere teachers and those who are willing to join this profession. But in this, the system of favoritism that has wreaked havoc to Meghalaya's education, and the fact that the Minister in charge of education had, as recently as the budget session, revealed that in the past 4 years, the number of school dropouts has gone up to 1 lakh in the last 4 years itself is very frightening. No state can succeed unless it has education as a priority, as a topmost priority, and for anybody in charge of a government department, and especially this vital department, to be able to tamper with the system and to ensure that certain persons are picked up as favorites is itself an act of grave injustice to the hundreds and thousands who have merit and who deserve better. On the behalf of the party and on my own behalf, this is let me commend the High Court's orders, long awaited order, and we hope that with this order the matter can now be taken to its logical end.